Hair isn't as complex as you might think. Most guys spend hours searching for a miracle cure while they're neglecting the basics. On this channel, I'll try to give you the high-impact info you actually need. In the last video, I showed you the habits that are quietly destroying your hair. Today, we'll do something different. These are the 3 things your hair might be literally starving for. If you don't add them soon enough, your hair will pay the price. Number 1. Strategic hair oiling. Most guys think oiling is just an extra step that takes ages to work. In reality, oil is your hair's essential defense layer. Even though you've got a natural oil layer on your scalp, it still needs some outer help. But you need to know which oil to use. If you're worried about hair thinning, you should consider rosemary oil. There is solid evidence showing that it can be just as effective as 2% minoxidil. Also, it wouldn't cause sudden hair fall like minoxidil if you stop using it. The trick is to mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or grapeseed so it doesn't irritate your skin. Massage it into your scalp thoroughly for a few minutes. Leave it for 30 minutes to 2 hours and then wash it out. Warning: if you have a very flaky, itchy scalp or active dandruff, stay away from oil for now. Adding oil to a fungal issue is like throwing gasoline on a fire. Fix the scalp health first, then start the oiling routine. Number 2. Vitamin D. Your hair follicles have specific sensors for vitamin D, which are responsible for initiating the anagen phase, the period where your hair is actively growing. Without enough vitamin D, those receptors stay dormant, and your follicles struggle to re-enter the growth phase after your natural shedding cycle. Recent studies show that nearly 47% of men with pattern hair loss are vitamin D deficient. It's a silent killer for hair density. Start eating foods like eggs, fatty fish, and fish oil. But the best way to get vitamin D is direct sun exposure. 5 to 30 minutes, twice a week. Try to get exposed sunlight on your back, arms, and legs, rather than just your hands and face. Be sure to do it between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. for maximum UVB exposure. Warning: sun exposure is risky if not done right. Keep a few things in mind. Don't do it for more than 30 minutes at once. Cover vulnerable areas like the face, eyes, and genitals with shade or dark fabric. If your skin gives out warnings or symptoms, you should probably listen to it. Number 3. Protein. Hair is 95% keratin, which is a type of protein. If you aren't hitting your protein targets, your body makes a sacrifice. It views hair as a luxury and redirects those amino acids to your vital organs and muscles instead. Standard dietary advice usually suggests at least 60 grams of protein. But for optimal keratin synthesis, research suggests men need closer to 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. For most of you, that's 90 to 130 grams a day. If your hair feels weak or snaps easily when wet, you most probably aren't providing enough protein for your hair. Prioritize whole sources like chicken, beef, eggs, milk, and plant-based alternatives like soy and legumes. Feed the follicle from the inside first. So that's it. Master the basics and you'll build the foundation for your hair. If you want a hand at self-improvement, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.